We have another topic from Module 3, which is the web and the internet. Internet is defined as an information software highway to access information over the web. However, it can be defined in many ways. Internet is a worldwide global system of interconnected computer networks.
Objectives of these lessons are: explore the current breakthrough technologies and disruptive innovation that have emerged over the past few years, identify and analyze various emerging technologies, explore the evolution of the Internet, identify and understand the different uses of Internet in today's generation, and the last is discuss the fundamental terms and definitions used in the Internet.
It means web is used as information portal, and it started with a simple idea of both content together. Example of web 101 1.0 is mp3.com homepage directory. Typical wiki contains multiple pages for the subjects or scope of the project and may be either open to the public or limited to use within an organization for maintaining its internal knowledge base. Example of wiki are Wikipedia, Wikibooks, Wikiversity, and many more. That is wikis. So the last one is the video sharing sites, a website that lets people upload and share their video clips with the public at large or to invented guests. Example are YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Photobucket, and many more sites that involves video clips. So I guess that's all for my topic, and thank you and God bless.
Wave, read, write, intelligent wave. So in these generations, all the applications on web or mobile will be upgraded with more features. It applies same principles as a Wave 2.0 two-way interactions. Wave 3.0 will be more connected, open, and intelligent with semantic wave technologies, distributed databases, natural language processing, machines learning and machines reasoning, and autonomous agents. When we say semantic wave, it provides a framework that allows data to be shared and reused to deliver with content specifically targeting the user. If it is a wave of data, changing the wave into a language that can be read and categorized by the system rather than humans. So, suggested name by John Markoff of the New York Times for the third generations of the wave.
Lesson 2. The Internet. The Internet, or Net, is the largest computer network in the world that connects billions of computer users. The word Internet comes from combination between interconnection and network. Network is a collection of computers and devices connected via communication channels and transmission media allowed to share resources such as hardware, software, data, and information. Generally, nobody owns the Internet. The Internet is a vast network that connects computers all over the world. Through the Internet, people can share information and communicate from anywhere with an Internet connection, in which we are using now today. The brief history of Internet. According to ERP, stands for Advanced Research Project Agency, January to 1969, started an experimental computer network. In 1982, the word Internet started. 1986, first free net created in Case Western Reserve University. 1991, U.S. government allowed business agency to connect to Internet. Now, all people can connect to the Internet and improve their life and work quality. The Internet supports various aspects in our life. Vinton Graycurve Formers is an American Internet pioneer and is recognized as one of the fathers of the Internet. Sharing this title with TCP or IP co-developer Bob Kahn. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, and IP stands for Internet Protocol. The major components of the Internet. Number 1 is servers. It's a computer program that provides service to another computer program and its user. There are types of servers. Number 1 is application server, a program in computer that provides the business logic for an application program. Next is the web server, a computer program that serves requested HTML pages or files. Number 3, proxy server is a software that acts an intermediary between an endpoint device such as computer and another server from which a user is requesting. Number 4, mail server is an application that receives incoming email from local users and remote senders and forward outgoing email for delivery. Number 5 is file server. It's a computer responsible for central storage and management of data files so that another computer on the same network can access them. Number 6 is policy server. It's a security component of policy-based network that provides authorization service and facilitates tracking and control of files. IP address or Internet Protocol address is a numerical level assigned to each device. This provides identity to a network device, or it is a series of numbers that identifies any device on a network. Computers use IP address to communicate with each other, both over the Internet as well as on another networks. Number 3, browser is an application program that provides a way of looking information on the web. An example of browsers are Google Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, Opera, and Mozilla. Number 4, domain name system or DNS is the phone book of Internet. We access information online through domain names. The domain name system or DNS is a naming database in which Internet domain names are located and translated into Internet Protocol addresses. The domain name system maps the name people use to locate a website to the IP addresses or IP address that computer used to locate that website. An example of domain name system are www.facebook.com, www.pup.edu.ph, and www.academia.edu. Number 5. Internet Service Provider or ISP is an organization that provides services for accessing, using, or participating in the Internet. There are 2 types of ISP. The first one is National ISP, provided Internet access to a specific geographic area. The second one is Regional ISP, business that provides Internet access in cities and towns nationwide. An example of ISP is Sky Broadband, PLDT, Converge, Internet Service Provider, company that provides Internet connections and services to individuals and organizations. In addition to providing access to the Internet, ISPs may also provide software packages such as browsers, email accounts, and personal website or homepage.
The following are the uses of internet. Look for information, school works, jobs, and home purposes. Send and receive electronic mail, video teleconferencing like video call and video chat. Buy and sell products, social networking, watch and post videos, games, take college courses, monitor home while away, financial transaction, download music and movies.
Gonna move that in my direction. So thankful for that, it's such a blessing, yeah. Turn every situation into heaven, yeah. Oh, oh, you are my sunrise on the darkest day. Got me feeling